Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum free class. How are you all? It's 3rd August today. I am Kuratulan from Modern Language School. Please open your activity book of English, page number 40. It's reading comprehension. You have already learned comprehension paragraphs in your subject of Urdu. A paragraph has been given and you have to answer some questions at the end by reading this paragraph. So start reading. Alexander Graham Bell. Read the passage below. Alexander Graham Bell was working hard in his laboratory when he accidentally spilled some acid on his pen. He shouted, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want you." In the next room, Thomas Watson stared hard at the wooden device in front of him. He couldn't believe his ears. He had heard the words coming loud and clear through the receiver of the device. He ran to other room and shouted, "Alexander, I heard you." "You heard me?" Alexander asked. "Your voice came out of the earpiece clearly," said Thomas excitedly. Alexander sat down and started looking through his papers again. He felt a new surge of inspiration. He had always imagined people talking to one another miles apart without actually seeing each other. It looked like his dreams could become true. 3 days later, he applied for a patent for the invention of telephone. It was March 14, 1876. Born on March 3, 1847, Alexander Graham Bell's family had a great influence on his inventions. From a tender age, he had to learn how to communicate with his mother, who was hard of hearing. While others spoke to his mother through a ear tube, he spoke to her in a low voice close to her forehead. He figured that his mother would be able to hear by interpreting the vibrations from his voice. This early interest in sound waves figured prominently in his later inventions, which included the microphone, the harmonic telegraph, the electric speech machine, and of course the telephone. Throughout his life, Alexander worked closely with the deaf, teaching them to communicate at the University College of London with his father, Alexander Melville Bell. Though Alexander died in 1922, the legacy of his invention continued to revolutionize the way we communicate. So, Alexander Graham Bell was an inventor of telephone. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did Alexander shout for Mr. Watson to go to him? Start writing its answer. He shouted because some acid spilled on his pen in the laboratory. Question number 2. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Question number 3 is, on which date was the first telephone call made? First call made on March 14, 1876. Question number 4 is, what did Alexander imagine people would do one day? Write down its answer. He had imagined people talking to one another without seeing each other. Next question is, how did Alexander's mother influence his inventions? Its answer is, his mother was hard of hearing. It influenced him to invent such a device. Now come to the next page. Question number 6 is, how did Alexander communicate with his mother? He used to communicate through an ear tube. Next question is, how did Alexander and his father try to help the deaf? Write down its answer from here. Alexander worked closely with the deaf, teaching them to communicate at the University College of London with his father. It's answer of question number 7. Question number 8 is, how old was Alexander when he passed away? So write down its answer. He was 75 years old when he passed away. Okay students, please complete this work on your activity books.